and welcome back to my channel. So today I am posting a new recipe video, and I've really been wanting to post more and more recipe videos because I love to cook, and this cake recipe is absolutely amazing. This will blow you away. It is perfect for any summer barbecue, 4th of July get together. I mean, it is just absolutely amazing, and not only is it delicious, but it is really easy. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop right into the video. So for this recipe, you're gonna need some olive oil, eggs, strawberries, any milk of your choice, blueberries, white cake mix, jello, I used half, and some icing. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is take some strawberries and cut them up really finely, because these are going to be the strawberries that go into our cake. So you can use however many. I used about 5, and that seemed to be perfect for me because remember, we are going to be putting fresh strawberries on the top. So I didn't want to do too many strawberries in the cake. So for the next step, I used my stand mixer, but you don't have to by any means. You can use your hands or you can use a hand mixer. But in my stand mixer, I blended together my strawberries, the cake mix, eggs, my oil, milk, and the jello mix. And I blended this on medium speed. So you're gonna wanna go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. So next, I'm using a 9 by 13 inch cake pan, and I'm just gonna go ahead and grease that with some olive oil. You could use butter or a pan, whatever kind of, non-stick method you want to use. So then I poured my mixture into my cake pan and I threw that into the oven for 30 minutes. Now you're going to want your cake to completely cool before you put any icing on it whatsoever. Once it's cooled, you can go ahead and put your icing on, and then you can put your blueberries and your strawberries on in the American flag shape. Now you guys, I am not the best cake decorator. I did this the best that I could, and I know that you guys are so much more creative than me and can make your strawberries look so much more pretty and perfect than I did. But I did my best. But I put the blueberries and the strawberries on, and I put the blueberries, like, spaced them apart a little bit so you could see the white, almost like the stars in the blue. So yeah, that is it, you guys. That is your American flag strawberry cake, and it is so good. I'm not even joking. I love this cake. I will make it every single summer just because it's so delicious, and you don't have to do this for 4th of July specifically. I know 4th of July is like right around the corner, but you could totally do this for a birthday, again, any kind of summer party or barbecue or whatever, just anything. I really want you guys to try out this recipe, and if you do, please hit me up on any of my socials. All the links are down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope all of you have a happy and safe 4th of July. I will see you in the next one. Stay beautiful. Mwah. Bye!